The newest brunch place in Cebu Business Park. So let's go.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog, another day, another vlog. But this vlog is gonna be an interesting one because it's my first day as a alumni or an alumnus, or it's a day after the graduation. I'm currently in IT Park. No, am I in IT Park? No, I'm not in IT Park. I am in Cebu Business Park. Spence is actually a brunch place. Links will be down below, infos will be down below. And yes, we're gonna have brunch here.
Thank you so much for being with us here today for the exclusive media launch of Spence. So let's give ourselves a round of applause for being here this morning. It's an intimate group, and we wanted it that way because we want all of you to have the full Spence experience.
Hey guys, I just met a new friend. Her name is Shani. Say hi!
Hello!
Link will be down below. What do you do for YouTube? Like, what genres of videos do you do?
Lifestyle, modeling events, personal stuff, my advocacy about embracing different.
I love that. Unique. We are all unique. She's so
Yeah.
pretty, guys, and she's so slim. And we just met today. And look at the vloggers working hard. Oh, diba? That's how you take a photo. So yeah, again, subscribe down below.
Shani
Links will be-
Montero.
Yes. Bye! I'll show you guys, or I'm gonna introduce to you my vlogger friends. There's a lot of vloggers right now here. Like intimate vlogger life. This is, say hi!
Hi! Follow me on Instagram, Charm.
Sige na, go!
Casey, that's KEIS-EE.
Okay, link will be down below. Daily ka mag-vlog, di ba?
Ganaan po.
You
Sige.
should try it.
Napa YouTube
Sige.
channel. It's also Katrina Herrera, so...
Like, I
hopefully
like your,
can upload
I like
new
your hair.
videos. Thank you.
So fresh. It looks so fresh. Oh, like, oh my god, we're so pretty. I know ba? Ah, sige, go. Di ba? I'm Spence. Oh, ang marketing slash PR of Spence. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your link? What do you do in life? Sige na, go.
Hi, please follow me, Ching Sadaya of chingsadaya.com.
Oh, di ba? Thanks, Ching, for having me.
Sure.
Ikaw, girl, say hi. Introduce yourself.
I'm Aris. Introduce yourself.
Sige na, go. What's your Instagram? What do you do?
Lady in Delight. What I do?
What do you do?
I mean, what, for fun?
Yeah, no, for vlogging. Why should they follow you? You're so pretty. What
I'm a
do you do?
lifestyle blogger.
Uh-huh.
Follow me, guys. It's
Okay.
Lady in Delight. LANDYNDA.
Okay, we're now gonna eat in a bit. Thank you. Ikaw na sa girl. Hi, say hi and introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sheena Reyna. Follow me on Instagram at Sheena Reyna.
Okay, what do you do on Instagram?
Lifestyle and fashion and beauty.
I love it. She has really nice filters, guys. Makasuya. Okay. So, we just got our, what is this again? Sloppy Joe Quesadilla, and we're now gonna try taste test. Oh my god. Huh? No, we're just gonna share. I'm also gonna share with yours. Anak ko ka-friendly, guys. Duha ka plate ako i-share. Okay. Hala. Okay, I don't know where to get because it's super sloppy. Sloppy dito siya, guys.
Ready? We're gonna be serving pumpkin drinks that are, we call our specialty also. We have the iced hot choco and the cappuccino. It will be served in a while. So if
Oh my god, it's so good.
The iced hot choco has a melted marshmallow on top.
It's so good.
Something you couldn't find anywhere else. So if you want to take a photo, so it's available already. Thank you.
Honestly, guys, it tastes like pizza, but in a better version. No joke. Namin, no?
Yummy!
It's so yummy.
Vlogging the vlog!
I'm literally sitting. Hi, say hi. This is Bea from Buy TV.
Hello!
Thanks for having us. Have you tried this
Like
one?
it. Not yet, I don't eat
I-
meat, but they have a 6 cheese
Really?
version that's really
Guys, oh. It's so good. It's like pizza but like better.
Yeah, have you tried the fries?
Not yet, really. This one, as you will try that one in a bit. Guys, honestly, this is so good. This is my first time trying food from Spence because they just opened, and it's so good. I'm gonna try later the salted caramel, also the okonomiyaki fries. I wanna sit here, but I feel like huot namin. Can we? Di ko kaya move kay your camera. Maybe it will, you know, back ganun. Alright, thanks, JC. JC, na-introduce natin ka, wala pa. JC, oh guys, this is my friend JC.
Hi.
Say hi. What do you do?
Audio engineer.
Guys,
and...
tanaw here sa lens, not sa screen.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Okay, go.
I wanna see myself.
Sa lens, go. What do you do?
I'm an audio engineer and videographer as well. Remember mo guys sa
Katong, I
recording.
rented out a professional recording studio. He's the manager there. Alright. Links will be down below.
Yes.
And we're currently eating again the Sloppy Joe Quesadilla. It's really, really sloppy. What is this? Are you sitting here? Ah, okay. Sorry. I mean, ano ka lang kadiyawi? See, let's eat pa. No. Uy, guys, we can share this one. It's big. That's what she said. Okay. Ganun nag-share ko, kadugay kay ako. Basta disregard na akong kuha na akong order. Gabi ka, te. Sige, JC, go eat. What can you say sa food, JC? Why plus pika? Anasay? Anasay! TBH.
Na-food vlogger ako.
Ay, dili. Wala lang. Just a normal, regular person judging the food. I haven't seen the prices though, so it really varies about the food, the taste, the price, the place. If it's really worth it. Let's see. Yum!
Dili siya ka
JC, pag Tagalog sa JC or English, hindi ka po kong translate. Medyo ano daw siya, medyo maldito.
Medyo matamis. So, good siya for kids as well. Kasi hindi
I
siya,
don't think about that.
hindi siya,
I
hindi
don't
siya-
have kids.
Sometimes kasi yung mga ganito hindi medyo tomato-y siya.
Tomatoey, sometimes may tangy taste. Tangy! Ako rin jud kasaba-saba diri guys. Ako rin jud nagpa-down sa industry of vlogging. Sa ako kasaba ba? Murag mo they respect ang people sa vloggers. Pero charot lang guys. What can you say about the Sloppy Joe Quesadilla?
It's really yummy.
Yeah, di ba?
Really good.
Actually, and it's good for everyone, like for kids, for teens, for the adults. Kaya murag dili siya spicy. It's very...
It's kind of messy to eat.
Yeah, it's actually messy to eat.
It's
Look.
worth it. I mean,
Yeah, but it's worth it, yeah. True. Yeah. Super messy, but it's so good. Like it's worth the mess. No joke. Oh my god. By the way guys, if you guys are wondering why I have white teeth, links will be down below.
You work this year?
Super, girl. Girl, no joke. If you've seen my older videos, gold, kung gold. Insert picture here. Salted caramel. Yum! Ate, say hi to my vlog. And they're using metallic straws. Hashtag millennial, hashtag woke. Hashtag in. Hashtag trending. Oh my god, it's so good, girl. Hi! Naka-introduce na ka here? Wala pa. Ay, basta si JL na siya, guys. Na siya photo. Links will be down below. Yum, guys, it's so good. Guys, this is so good. Let's get more quesadilla. Now with more tomatoes. Yum.
How messy it is. 1, 2, 3 tissues. My God. Gabi mo ka oily, but it's so good. Okay, let's clean it up. Basta mas ako si Ching.
Sa Manday. Medyo white taday. Sa Manday. So this is the food. My meatballs. Yummy. Let's see if it's really yummy. Okay, we're now gonna taste test the meatballs. Ang laki ng meatballs, guys. So look. Let's try the meatballs first. It's beef, so it's good. Let's try the spaghetti. I like the pasta kasi napaka-firm niya, so hindi siya yung parang cheap pasta lang sa, you know, sa grocery store. Iced, hot pa, sure ka, cheesy? Sure jud ka na. Not a research, ana, not a RL. Okay, I'm now gonna try the hot, cold, choco nagatas. No, I'm just kidding, guys. And this is iced chocolate. And there's actually burnt marshmallow on top. Chocolate drink, but it's uncalled charot. We're now gonna try. Ang rami kong hanas. Wow. The chocolate drink is very, very rich. So good. It's like Chucky, but like on a richer level. Yes, we're gonna make our own slider now. So these are the ingredients. We have fresh vegetables and scrambled egg. This is pepino or cucumber. We have the bread. We have aris, and of course we have all the meat. Yum yum yum. But of course we're not gonna eat it first. And of course I also got lemons and lime from the prop section. Brought to you by Quesadilla. Okay, we're now gonna start. Let's start now, madam. Other people are looking for inspirations at Pinterest, but I don't need to. I have my brain. Charot lang. Kumusta na inyo, guys?
We have really good working.
Hey guys, so I just finished my event in Spence. So currently, Spence is not open yet, but they are gonna open on Thursday this week. That is May 20 plus-ish on Thursday. Either way, links and infos will be down below. And of course, do not forget to visit them in Solinea Towers in Cebu Business Park. It is on the bottom part. And I like it kasi meron silang parking area. So I really hate establishments and restaurants and everything na walang parking kasi where do you want us to park? At the side of the road na super heat? No. Dapat may parking always. Either way, I'm now going home because I left my nephew sa house with this yaya, pero I feel bad for leaving him even though I have so much things planned today. But either way, I'm just gonna get him and then probably we're going to chill somewhere because later tonight there will be a graduation thank you dinner for my parents or from my parents. Graduation dinner for me, yes, in Bayfront Hotel. Yeah, I was supposed to plan everything, pero you know what? I got super stressed, and I just told my mom, you know what, mom? You do whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna be there. Yeah, that is it. That's it. Either way, hope you guys are still watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and of course, follow me on my social media accounts if you haven't yet, and if you would like, lang po naman. Either way, I'm almost low bat. And yes, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!